Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see messages without Seen on WhatsApp. It's a very easy thing to do actually, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your WhatsApp app, then tap on these three lines at the top right corner, then tap on Settings, then tap on Privacy. If you don't see privacy option here, you may need to tap on the account option first. But since we can see the privacy option here, let's just tap on it. Then look for the read receipts option. Once you see it on like this, you just have to toggle it off. So once it's off, your recipient won't be able to see the blue scene icon on WhatsApp. So I actually sent this message to my other WhatsApp account. So if I open it here, as you can see, it's open, right? So this account is actually open on my desktop computer. So let's check if I'll be able to see the blue scene icons. Okay, so here, as you can see, the blue scene icons are not shown here. Only 2 check marks are shown here. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.